Hello everyone. Myself Shivangi Verma. I'll be talking about the transformative business model with my team members Anurag, Manish, Abhishek, and Nikhil. So let's start. So in this today's rapidly evolving market, ability to link the new technologies to the new emerging market needs is pivotal for the industry transformation. And this connection not only derives the innovation but redefines the entire sector. For example, the classic MP3 technology. The MP3 players with the far greater capacity than the tapes and CDs allowed the user to carry the thousands of songs. But the market transformed when the Apple integrated the iPod with the iTunes and shift the music sales from the physical to the digital version. But the question is, what exact features enables the business model to deliver on the technology's potential? Next, we'll be talking about how the business model works. So, the business models are the blueprints of how a company creates and captures value, and its features defines the customer value proposition, pricing strategy, organizational structure, partnerships, and supply chain. In any industry, the dominant business model tends to emerge over time to disrupt it. For example, Airbnb. They utilize the platform technology to disrupt the traditional hotel industry by offering the more personal and affordable experience to the customers while reducing the cost and the risk for the company. Now, the Anurag will take over and talk about the key features of the business models. Thank you.
So Savani already discussed about the role of business model in industry transformation. Now I will be discussing key features of transformating business model and their role in driving innovation across industries. First, personalization. It tailors service to individual needs, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Think of Flipkart. It suggests product based on browsing history, giving user a customized experience. Next is the closed loop process, which focus on sustainability. Companies like Tata Steel recycle scrap steel, reducing waste and increasing resource efficiency. Third one is asset sharing is also significant and it's allow high value asset to be shared among users. Rapido, for example, enable bike owner to offer ride sharing service, making transportation more affordable. Another key feature is usage based pricing where customers are charged based on their actual use. Paytm for intense charge merchandise based on the number of transaction proceed, offering transparency and control. Fifth one is collaborate ecosystem and are all about partnership. Swiggy for intense partner with local restaurants and delivery services, creating a seamless food delivery network. And finally, the last one is agile organization. The this is the basically is how you adapt the quickly market change. Like in a pandemic type, Geo exemplifies by this by launching a GeoMart during the pandemic. They are responding the new market demands. So now come to the how Ola revolutionizing the taxi industry. So Ola is basically founded in 2010. Ola quickly become a pioneer in the ride sharing market by leveraging mobile technology. Before Ola, taxi operate on fixed rate were often hard to access, especially in smaller cities. Ola introduced an app-based system that fundamentally changed the way people book ride. It allowed riders to book cabs at the touch of a button, providing real-time tracking and connecting them with driver instantly. So now Abhishek will take over and Abhishek will tell about the Ola uses these six transformative business features in the Indian taxi market. Thank you.
So I would like to talk about how Ola leverages the transformative business strategies. So first thing I want to discuss about is the personalized ride. So they introduce different model of a car for a different segment of the people. So if you're gonna go for economic section, you can use Ola Auto, Ola Mini, because the price is low for that segment. And if you're gonna go for more executive side, you can use Ola Prime Sedan and Ola Prime, etc. This is basically the point of it, is to cater the different need of different segment of the people. So another thing that they really indulge in is the closed loop processes, where they ask for feedbacks after every ride, and they collect feedbacks, they collect the data, they analyze it, and they try to quantify all of these into the next ride. That means if they are getting some bad reviews in some places, some areas, some routes, they try to rectify it, what's wrong with the place, and they try to resolve this, and they try to correct the way the driver takes their car on the route. So it's basically a it's transformative things. When you know the problem, you just need to solve it. So feedback really help in this way. So they also introduced the collaborative ecosystem. So they partnered with EV manufacturer to get electric vehicles for their taxis, and they also collaborate with the financial services, and they introduce Ola Money. So when you are in a closed loop, and you are using a service of a particular company, and you can use it as if they diversify the services, means that when you want to pay for Ola cab, you don't have to go switch to another payment services. You can just pay it with Ola Money. So this is how a collaborative system ecosystem works, and it's very convenient for the customers. So another thing I want to talk about is the Ola impacts in the Indian market. So the first thing is EV initiative. We all know that our pollution is getting higher day to day, and there's a race of who's leaving the less carbon footprints on Earth. So EV initiative is a big impact, since the government's also endorsing it because of the environmental impact they're facing day to day. And there's one more thing is affordable pricing. When Ola introduced in Indian market, it was very affordable. So before a time, there was perception was that only rich people can afford the taxis, but Ola changed the whole landscape. They introduced taxis with a less price, so can the middle class can afford it. So it was a great change. So other taxi company also saw this as a competitive disadvantage for them, so they tried making the rides more affordable for the needs of India market. So they also diversified their services like Ola Bikes and Ola Auto for economic range. So they are more about the catering the middle class people residing in India who want to have their services. So that's all from my side.
Now let's take a look at how Ola compares with global disruptors like Uber and Lyft. Ola leverages a platform-based model and follows an asset-light approach, which has enabled it to scale rapidly. However, what sets Ola apart is its localization. Ola adapts its services to India's unique market conditions, from integrating culturally sensitive offerings to navigating complex regulatory frameworks. This adaptability, paired with its focus on diverse transport options, has given it a significant edge. By collaborating with government agencies and tech companies, Ola has truly customized its disruption approach for the Indian market. Now let's talk about the strategic insights from Ola's journey. Ola's journey offers very strategic insights. Localization has been a key factor, allowing the company to fine-tune its services to fit local needs. Customer-centric innovation has driven Ola to introduce services like Ola Auto and Ola Bike, catering to different income levels and transportation preferences. Ola has also shown impressive agility by quickly adapting to market demands, especially with its push into electric vehicles. The company has built a strong ecosystem, partnering with various stakeholders from financial services to electric vehicle manufacturers. This also has enhanced its scalability while maintaining adaptability to local regulations. Now, let's talk about the concluding thoughts on the entire case and Ola's implementation of the learnings. Ola's success is a testament to the power of an adaptable and customer-focused business. It's not just about having a cutting-edge technology, but also about aligning it with empowering market conditions and also focusing on the needs of the market. Ola has proven that a company can become a true market disruptor by remaining agile, localized, and innovation driven. As industries will continue to evolve, the challenges will not be just who disrupts next, but how they do so by successfully leveraging the right business model. That's it for the presentation. Thank you.